Hello everyone, welcome to AlphaTribe, India's first AI powered platform for investors. This video is a quick overview on how to make the most of our app. Once you have logged in, this is the first page you will see. This is the home page. Now the home page gives you a clean overview of all the latest news, which is summarized and categorized into different sections. And all of this is happening in real time. Okay. As soon as any news is published, our Alpha AI processes that news, summarizes it, understands it, and categorizes it in real time. Right. So this is the, let's say if I refresh it, so currently the time is 1:53 p.m. and this news came at 1:49 p.m. So Tex Maco Rail and Engineering Limited has received a huge order, bagged some order worth 73 crores. Right. If you want more information, you can click on read more, or you can also click on the PDF. So this is the actual PDF that the company has uploaded on NSE or BSE. You can also share this PDF. There is a share button on the top right, and there is also a share button on the top right of every news. So you can also share this news with anyone. Now, so we have different tabs. Like I said, the news is categorized into different sections. So there are multiple tabs. There is all the news. Then there is trending news. So trending is mostly the news which is most engaged, most visited. Right? Then there is important tab. It mostly contains all the important news like bagging, receiving any orders, any company updates, any investor presentation. Then there is financial update, which will have credit ratings, any results which have been announced. Then insider trade, where you will have all the promoters buying or selling the shares, any fundraise the company is doing, and so on. So there are multiple categories. You can go through all of them, and it's quite straightforward what they mean. Now, you can also follow any companies. Say, let's say if you are interested in, let's say Texmaco Rail, you can click on the company and you can click on follow. Now, companies followed successfully. Now, if once you follow a company, you can click on this upper tab, which is followings. Over here, you will only see news of the companies which you are following. You will not see news of the other 4,500 companies which are listed on BSE and NSE, only the companies which you are following, and the same categories are here as well. And one more feature that you get is any important news which comes for the companies you are following, you will start getting app notification, you will start getting alerts in your app. Right? So how great is that? As soon as a news comes, you get an app notification. You can click on the notification, you will directly go to the news, relevant news, and you can read it. This way you can stay informed and also take any actions that you want to take depending on that news. Our next great feature is AI agents. So I clicked on AI, then I clicked on AI agents. So we have around 6 AI agents right now. 2 of them are available to all free users, and 4 of them are only available to paid users. I'll come to free, paid, and all later. So I'll take you through one of the agents over here. It's Nifty 50 summary agent. So if I want to follow it, let's say, then I click on follow agent, and once I start following it, it will start showing up in my feed. So like this. So how these agents work is that they are updated at the after market closes. It works on daily data, like, and it is mostly updated around 7 to 8 p.m. If you want to see, let's check out the Nifty 50 summary agent in detail. If I click on the Nifty 50 summary agent, it tells me, first it gives me what that agent does, what data it is looking at. I can look at the past reports over here. So this is the report of yesterday, and it is telling me what was the open, close, change, support, resistance, all those technical indicators which I might need. Right? I can, if you want more information, you can click on read summary, and over here it gives you more in-depth analysis of the Nifty. Similarly, we have Bank Nifty, and then there are the paid agents. So paid agents will mostly give you a list of stocks, right? And don't take this directly as a recommendation. It's only meant to be a short list. and then you should probably do your own due diligence. So if I click on golden crossover, what it is giving me is all the stocks which has done a golden crossover on that particular day. So if I click on past reports, so there was this only one stock which did a golden crossover on August 4th, and we are using EMA to get the golden crossover, and we are also using a volume confirmation. So, and if there are, let's say, more than so we only show a maximum of 5 stocks over here in the feed, and if you want to see all the stocks, you click on read summary. So over here you can see there are like 8 stocks which did golden crossover on July 30. However, after that there are much less stocks. So in read summary also you will not find more number of stocks. It will only be 2. This is how the agent works, and once you follow them, it will come up. It will come in the feed. There is also chat with AI. Right? You can ask our smart AI, which is trained on financial data, right, and answers questions with real-time data. So, for example, if you ask it what is the current technical pattern of Reliance, it will give you all the details. It tells you what's the current price, what's the technical rating, what is RSI, SMAs, and how is the market sentiment and technical strength of the stock. Now coming back to the our free and paid plan. So what's the difference? In free plan, you can follow a maximum of 10 companies, and you can only follow the free AI agents. In pro, you can follow up to 50 companies, and you can follow 3 paid agents, maximum of 3 paid agents. It can be any 3. And in ultimate, you can follow a maximum, you can follow unlimited companies, and you can follow unlimited paid agents. So at present we only have 4 paid agents, but we are very soon releasing a many number of paid agents. Also you can have do unlimited you have unlimited access to chatbot in our ultimate plan. This is all about the chatbots, AI agents, and yeah. Now, one last bit is the profile page. So you can click on the above icon here, and then you can go to your profile page. In profile page, you can change your name. You cannot change your email address. That's fixed. You can also input your phone number. If you did not do it during the sign up process, you can change it now, and make sure this is your WhatsApp number. So what we do is we probably in every week we send 1 or 2 notifications on WhatsApp, and this is like a summary of our AI agents, the performance summary of our AI agents. It can also be any relevant news which has come into the market, right? So make sure you put your phone number here to get such notifications. You can also see the plan status. What is your current plan you are subscribed to? You can see the number of companies you are following, and you can also contact our support if you have any issues. So you can contact us on WhatsApp, you can contact us on email. Yeah, and that's it. If you liked our app, do go on to Play Store and or App Store and rate our app, and enjoy using AlphaTribe. Thank you.